Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a makeup tutorial. Haven't done this one in a long time, and I decided because I'm going to an event, I might as well take advantage of the makeup I'm gonna be applying, because I'm actually going to play with Charlotte Tilbury new collection for Pillow Talk. This is not a sponsored video, but you guys know that her lipstick Pillow Talk is literally my holy grail and something that I've been using and wearing for a long time now. So when she came out with a blush and like a whole line of products with those tones, I knew it was meant to be. I'm going to use these products to create this soft, beautiful look that I feel like really matches everything. What I truly love about the Pillow Talk is the fact that it's like kind of an earthy, nudie, but pinkish tone. It's an amazing kind of staple color to have in your lipsticks. And I've seen it on so many different variations of skin tones, and it looks amazing on all of them. So I'm just gonna start and use rose water to freshen up my skin because I just woke up from a nap. Gonna use the NARS Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. Hack for the pregnancy double chin. The way I like to do makeup is kind of, there's no rules for me. I just apply whatever feels right. I love using this Nude Sticks Bondi Bay for a little bit of shadowing to create a little more shape for my face. It does a great job with bringing all the assets to the main stage. I'm gonna put a little bit of powder, and we're gonna move right away to the shadows and the eye palette for Charlotte Tilbury. So the first palette that is out in the Pillow Talk is this one. It's the Luxury palette, and you have the Prime, Enhance, Pop, and Smoke, and it's beautiful nude tones. I've used it actually in one look before, and a lot of you guys asked me the kind of makeup I use, so here you go, you have it. So I'm just taking this one as my base. Charlotte Tilbury has this power that a lot of makeup companies don't have, where she's really the queen of subtle beauty. She creates such high-end products that they perform. She knows what a woman needs. And you obviously want to make sure that you blend it. I want it to be very subtle. I want it to feel like a Pillow Talk. This is to me the perfect palette for a bride. If you're getting married and looking for the right natural beautiful shades, this is the way to go. Just gonna apply the Enhance under eye to create a little more shadow, and I'm talking about this one. I am not gonna use the Pop one, which is this really glowy one. I feel like it doesn't really go with the event that I'm going to, so I'm not gonna waste my time, but this is obviously a more kinda to bring a little more glitz into it. So instead I'm gonna use my RMS kit of illuminizers and just put it here. I wanna create a little bit of a shimmery, wettish kind of look. And then I'm gonna take this and just apply it here in the inner corners of my eye. Right here, I guess, because that's what people do, I saw on YouTube. Okay, once that's done, I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow, and I'm gonna use the bronzer to bring a little more enhancement to my face. was just the first thing that I saw in the corner of my eye, so I just grabbed it. I'm almost done with the eyes. To give the eye a little more definition, what I like to do is when I use colors like these that are softer, I like to use a brown pencil to create my eyeliner, to define my lash line. This is actually for brows. It's Cream Gel Brow in Brown from Benefit. And I'm gonna just put it on my lash line and just pull it out. This way we are not putting anything too aggressive as black that won't be too contrast for this type of makeup, and just create a softer line. I poked myself in the eye, that's why I'm crying. I'm not crying, you're crying. And I will do the same here. I personally love to pull my eyeliner a little bit out and up over the lash line, just to create a little bit more of a catty eye. Okay, and I am basically done with my eyes. So now all I'm gonna do is apply mascara. Ta-da! I've created the bedroom eyes. Now let's move to the rest of the face. So the next thing that she came out with, this gorgeous cheek to chic glow blusher. So basically you see there's a little tint of glow here, and then the pillow talk color for the cheeks. Oh my god, it's so dreamy. This is done. And then to the lips is the Pre-Shape and Resize lip liner in Pillow Talk color. This is, as I mentioned, my absolute favorite lip kit ever. So we're just going to line the lips and reshape them if needed. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna take this little product that started all of this and apply it to the lips. Before she came out with this line, actually, like the blush and everything, I used to use this lipstick as eyeshadow and as a blush. So I'm really happy she decided to actually make them into their own standalone products. Oh my god, I love this! Then I'll just put a little bit of powder under here and a little bit under here. You don't really see kind of the glowiness because of the light, because I see it right here. I'm just gonna put some of the RMS right here and a little bit on the inner corner. And this is it, you guys. This is my quick little makeup for a little sexy, a little flirtier look using the new Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk line. Have you ever tried the Pillow Talk, if it's the lipstick or any other Charlotte Tilbury products? I'm wondering if there's anything I'm missing out on. Thank you guys so much. I need to get ready for my bed. Love you.